Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm here at N-Sky Solar. My name is Victor Asuncion, the President and CEO of N-Sky Solar, and today we have a very special guest. We're here with someone very special. She came all the way from China. Her name is Miss Hannah. Miss Hannah, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and the company that you work for?
Yes, of course. Hi everyone, this is Hannah from SUNESS Energy, and our company is located in Shenzhen, China. SUNESS Energy is a company focused on lithium battery with 10 years experience. Why we only focus on lithium battery is because our company owners, he has more than 20 years experience in battery cells raw materials, which means our battery cells have stable resource and high quality. Our strategy partner is CATL.
Wow, that's amazing. This right here, Hannah, tell me about this battery. How much power does this battery have?
As we can see here, this battery is 1.2 volts, 200 amperes. It's 10 kilowatt hour.
10 kilowatt hour.
Yes.
Amazing. What are the features that this battery has?
These batteries have 10 years experience, and also you can check the battery cells voltage, temperatures in these LCD screens. Also, you can choose the inverter type like the Globals because we can compatible with more than 16 pieces inverter brands.
15?
Yes.
15 inverter brands.
Yes.
Amazing. That's great. One of the things that I love so much about this battery right here is if you take a look here, there's already a breaker included. Some batteries don't have a breaker included yet, so it has internal protection units for it. And like as Hannah mentioned, this inverter already has a battery management system that's able to connect to 15 inverters, different types of inverters. So you can use this as a replacement battery if you have a GoodWe, Deyer, Growatt, and Solis, many other inverter brands. So that's one of the great things about this inverter. Does this battery, does this lithium battery, does it include the wires with it already?
Yes, of course.
Of course, okay.
Like negative and positive cables and communication cables and so on.
Are already included. That's very important because some batteries out there, they still don't have the positive and negative battery cables. So you still have to buy at your local electrical store. But this one has the battery cables included with it already, plus the breaker. So Hannah, tell me, this battery right here, how can we buy this battery here in the Philippines? Because we're here in the Philippines and yung mga Pilipino dyan na interested bumili ng solar battery, this lithium-ion battery, how do we find it?
Of course, in N-Sky Solar.
Exactly. N-Sky Solar has a warehouse in Bicol. If you're in Bicol region, kung nandyan po kayo, dadalhin namin tong battery na to dyan sa Bicol region na yan. Also in Ilocos region, we ship nationwide. Kahit saan ka sa Pilipinas, Mindanao ka man, or kahit Suksulukan dulo, Ilocos region ka, makakabili ka nito through the N-Sky Solar store. We can ship it to you, we can have it delivered, no problems. This is one of the best batteries I've seen so far. We've tested it. Ang pinaka-importante talaga dyan is the capacity. It should store the rated capacity that it has. What is the rated capacity for this battery? Kilowatt hour.
10 kilowatt hour.
10 kilowatt hour. All right, that's amazing. Today, what we're going to do today is we have a very special guest as well that Hannah brought with us, is the technician for the SUNESS battery. We're going to open this battery and we're going to take a look at what's inside.
We're going to open this battery cover so that you can clearly see our battery cells used inside, and also you can have a review of our BNS.
Yes, all right. Hold on for a moment, guys. If you guys want to see what's inside the SUNESS battery, we'll show you in a bit. Pause.
See you soon.
All right.
I'm RT Domingo, one of the technicians here at N-Sky Solar, and here's True, one of the technicians at SUNESS. We're gonna be performing service on this battery. First off, we're gonna start by disassembling this battery. Let's start.
Is it okay to open it? Or is it okay, Hannah, to open it vertically, or should we put it down?
Put it down.
How is your visit to the Philippines?
Everything is good because we have many brands here.
What weather do you like better? The weather in China or the weather here in the Philippines?
Actually, in Europe. Because I like winter.
You like winter?
Yes.
Is it not cold in China?
In Shenzhen, it's not cold.
not
But in
cold.
the north side of China, it's cold.
Yeah, because last time I was in and it's
Yes.
so cold, very cold.
Do we
Can
just
you
pull
see
this out?
snow last time?
No, not last time.
Right, we're ready
Right
to,
now, that's
so
me.
we're ready to take the cover off
Sorry,
now.
Hold on.
There you go.
There you go.
As you can see,
There's a communication cable for the screen.
here are the cells, cat-L cells.
Make sure.
Here's the BMS. Here's the breaker. Inside of the breaker, terminal, negative and positive.
要弄开吗？怎么弄开？
For those people out there, there's a lot of alam ko marami niyo yung difference of how professionally installed manufactured battery looks like as compared
How many temperature probes that this have?
Temperature.
Yes, temperature sensor. I see some temperature sensors here. How many does it have? This has temperature sensors to make sure that the battery doesn't overheat. Detections. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
这些线是什么？
it's welded, no? Ayan, no?
Yes.
It's connected by
专业。
as compared to other battery, yung mga DIY na nag-DIY ng battery, pwede siyang mag-loose connection. It's properly welded like this. Panatag tayo na hindi yan mag-loose through that service like.
用专业的网站。
So there's plenty of space. Makikita for all of the viewers out there, we need to make sure that the battery is really good quality. Water. You see, I told you that a little bit of water gets in.
Yes.
But it's normal. It's okay lang siya because it's rated for IP22. Another factor is that yung BMS niya is connected vertically. Hindi kung pasukin man siya ng tubig, hindi siya. This is what SUNESS battery looks like from the inside. You can see that the wires are made by really good quality materials. And
那是显示屏的问题。
aside from that, there's a ton of protective devices. So everything looks good. So this is what we will be replacing.
Yes, we will replace the LCD screen.
One thing I'd like to share. I just scanned the QR code to see yung
On
yung
you.
production date and the type of battery. So you're sure that this is a genuine battery.
Yes, EVE battery cells
And the
and
Wow.
its full capacity 100 AH.
Wow.
Yes.
Code length is right. Code seems right. That's good.
Of course.
Wow. High quality.
This is what SUNESS always do. We just focus on high quality.
Yes, that's correct. So RT, ang galing niya, no? Kasi mako-cross-reference mo talaga if the batteries are reused or, di ba? Or fake. 2023. Wow. High five, high five. SUNESS team, the best. SUNESS team, the #1 lithium battery.
Yes.
May see. See? Ako kasi, alam ko, okay, it works now.
Yes.
Come on, guys. That's amazing. Amazing. As the president and CEO of this company, I made sure na, kung hindi siya gagana for me, hindi siya serviceable ng company namin, then it's not a good quality battery. But this one, as you can see, no, na-service yan. We're servicing it. It's the show proof na yung battery natin na yan, sigurado dapat yan for the next 10 years ng serviceable life niya. Yun, dito sa office natin mismo, if there's any problems with your batteries out there, we will provide service for you. 100%, no questions asked. We will be there to help you and to support you. Make sure that your battery is in the best condition possible. All right? So yun, no? Tinan mo.
This is the condition that it's in. It's in great condition.
Great condition. You also have to consider the spaces because the battery needs to breathe. The battery needs to make sure that the temperature is also maintained. So ayun. Done. How many minutes did it take for us to service this battery?
Not minutes, for seconds.
Seconds.
Yes.
Just seconds. All
That's
right.
SUNESS efficiency.
Suness efficiency. I love it. I love it. Perfect. Shall we, is it ready for closing?
Yes.
Great. Shall we close it now?
哎，等一下，这个没放。
This is also a temperature shield. Even the 100 amp hour battery, Hannah, the 200 amp hour battery and 300 amp hour battery has the same cells inside. Same cells. Same battery inside. Just more units. Or is it bigger?
Let me think about it. 我们300安时是用多少的？好像是用280的，300安时的。For the 300 ampere, we use 3.2 volts, 300 AH battery
300
cells.
the
So
battery
only
cell.
16 pieces.
16 pieces. That's why it's also not that big.
Yes, this one is more bigger.
Bigger, yes. Okay. All right. The 100 amp hour and the 200 amp hour, same battery cell size.
Yes.
Same. All right. It's good to know.
And this port is to insulation the electricity.
Yes. So this is for the insulation for the electricity to protect it from insulating the cover right there. All right. The whole case is made out of metal, so completely durable.
面它我们变成菲律宾红人，会有人去街上有人找我们签名。Celebrity.
There you go. Ano? Ganun lang kada. Simpleng-simple. We're done. Now it's just putting back the screws. And then this battery is all good. Ako, itong bat tapos ayan, no? Back to 100%.
Actually, this has been to a lot of charge and discharge cycles already.
Yeah. I think this is all. No, not 400.
Not 400.
369, maybe 100. 100 cycles. That's it, guys. How quickly. I really like your screwdriver, Chu. It's a really nice screwdriver, huh?